रिया स्ट्रायकर आसा आणि स्वीटी नॉन स्ट्रायकर. आणि हांगासर तेणी ऑफाक बरो शॉट मारलेलो आसा. आता स्वीटी स्ट्रायकर येयलेले आसा. आणि हांगासर आणि हांगा स्वीटीन एक बरो शॉट मारलेलो आसा. आणि 3 बॉलांक हांगासर 2 स्कोर जाल्लेलो आसा. आणि कृतिका कडल्यान मिस फिल्डिंग. आणि स्वीटीन एक हांगासर बाउंड्री मारलेली आसा 4. आणि श्रेया पहिल्या ओव्हरीचो लास्ट बॉल घेऊन येता. आणि हांगा 2 रन. पहिल्या ओव्हरीक 9 रन. दुसरी ओव्हर घेऊन येता सुगंधा गाडी. रिया ऑन स्ट्राईक. आणि हो वाईट बॉल. आणि रिया हांगा आउट जाल्लेले आसा. आणि हांगासर न्यू बॅट्समॅन पूजा उसपकर. आणि 1 बॉल 10 रन. बरी काढली ओव्हर ते ओ आणि हांगासर एक बऱ्यातल्या बरी कॅच बाय संतोषी तुयेकर. तिवरेकर उगी रावा. आणि हांगासर सिक्सर. बॉलर नेमको श्रेया परत एक आणि एक ओव्हर आणि श्रेया हांगासर आपली दुसरी ओव्हर घेऊन 20 झालं व ओरीच्या एंडिंग एक सांगता आणि श्रेयान पूजा भारतीची विकेट काढला हांगा. कितल्या बॉल ओरी कितल्या येला श्रेया अजून नरेन पुढले सांग आता स्कोर सांग एक कितला टोटल तिसऱ्या ओव्हरीची समाप्ती आणि हांगासर तिसऱ्या ओव्हरीची समाप्ती आणि 23 रन झालेलो आसा. आणि अनुश्री हांगासर आपलो पहिलो बॉल घेऊन येता. आणि स्ट्रायकर बिंदी आसा. 24 आणि हांगासर तेणी बरो बॉल घातलेलो आसा. आणि हांगासर बऱ्यातली बरी फिल्डिंग कोमला कडल्यान. आणि स्वीटीचा हांगासर एक बरो शॉट आणि स्कोर जावन आसा 31. चौथ्या ओव्हरीचो लास्ट बॉल. आणि स्वीटीचा अनेक बऱ्यातलो बरो शॉट. पाचव्या ओव्हरीचो पहिलो बॉल आणि स्कोर जावन आसा 38. सुगंधा गाडी आपली सेकंड ओव्हर घेऊन येला. स्वीटी ऑन स्ट्राइक. पाचवी आणि अजून मेरेन स्वीटीन 3 सिक्सरी आणि 1 4 मारला. आणि हांगासर बिंदिया दुसऱ्या रनाक ट्राय करता. श्रेयान हांगासर बरी फिल्डिंग केलेली आसा. आणि सुगंधा गाडी हांगासर 5व्या ओव्हरीचो लास्ट बॉल घेऊन येता.
Score is 41. After completion of 5 overs, score is 41. So Morning 11 Pernem already into the finals. This match is between Morzai Warriors Morchim and Viryaratne Khorgaon. Durwa will be winning the final of this innings. First inning. Full toss delivery. 6 runs. Sweetie hitting from the sweet spot of the bat. .47. Again played nicely. Will be a single. With the single score now 48. Sweetie is playing a good innings here. For a long time she's there on the crease. Into the gap, there's a fielder. Very good fielding, very good throw as well. From the deep. 49. This is the eliminator match. The team loses will go directly out of the tournament. And team wins will have to play once again. What a good shot! Running assassin, you say. 54. With that, U6. 55. 55. Sweetie playing a sweet innings here for her team. Sweetie is playing on 45. 55 is the score. 2 balls to go. Sweetie is playing on 45. Let's see if we can have that 50 runs. Again heaved away. Good fielding down there. They will surely go back for the second runs. And they will get it comfortably. So 2 runs. 57. Sweetie is on 47. Last delivery. Sweetie 47. Again, and ball is racing away, and it's a boundary, and it's a 50 up. Please raise your bat, Sweetie. 50 up. Huge round of applause for Sweetie. What an innings! 51. What an innings from her. Will be opening pair for Morzai Warriors Morjim. Congratulations to Morning 11 Pernem team for reaching into the finals of this first All Goa Women's Cricket Tournament, auction tournament, organized by Bhumika Youth Sports and Culture Club Ashwem, with a big help from Kiran Savan, the Punch member of Village Panchayat Manrem, and the social worker, and the man who gives a platform to everyone, every youngster, every young girl, every young man, every young boy. He is always there. Whenever such kind of tournaments happen, his name comes first. Even for the football, even for the volleyballs, even for the cricket tournament, everywhere. He is socially everywhere. He is a very helpful man. So thank you very much, Kiran Savan sir. Please keep your good work going. Please give your hands to such young talent always. It's a big, huge platform, I will say this, for these girls, for these women. He's also Shooting Ball Association President of Goa. His name is everywhere. You name occasion in Manrem or also outside Manrem, his name is always there. So thank you so much, Kiran Savan. Follow name is Sweetie. Target required is 62. For Morzai Warriors, Morjim, Sugandha on strike, Shreya on non-striker end. This is the eliminator. The team loses will go out of the tournament. The team who wins have to play once again with Shreyansh. Shivan's Warrior Manrem. Fast break 6. Start of the innings with a bang. These are the small rocket pocket dynamites playing. What a shot. Just start of the innings. There's a 2000 rupees prize kept here for 3 6s from Amisha Shetgaonkar. Again over the top and oh, dropped it. That was a golden opportunity. Even Sugandha is not happy with herself. She knows there was a chance to pick that shot up, but she managed to hit it directly into the hands of her fielder there, who somewhat managed to drop it. Dot delivery from Sweetie. Sweetie giving her 100% performance with the bat. 51 she scored, and now with the first ultimate power play over, she is bowling. Up in the air, into the gap. Ball will race away to the... Oh no, what a good fielding. Good fielding there. Sejal deep down there. Certainly saved the 3 runs for her team, which is very, very important. We got a new scorer, I think Triveni. New scorer in the commentary box. That's a good delivery. Shot of a good length, bouncing. Sugandha wanted to hit it on the leg side. Again, oh, that was just missed. That was just missed the leg stump. It's over, and score is 8 on the scoreboard. Good comeback from Sweetie after the first ball going for the big 6. Then after she just managed to give away only 2 runs. What a good comeback from Sweetie. Match winning performer, Sweetie. Morzeh Warriors, Morjim and Viriyuratne Kurgaon. This match, eliminator match. If you have to be in this tournament, you have to win this match. Already the strongest team of the tournament, Morning 11 Pernem, into the final. 8 runs on the scoreboard after completion of first over. Second over, they require 62 runs. It's a good start from Morzeh Warriors, Morjim. Women's cricket tournament. Fabulous job. Dancing down the ground, into the gap, boundary. Batsman is Shreya this time. Shreya batting with the glasses on. Just like once time Sam Curran did it with the glasses on. So she's a stylish batsman. Again dancing down the ground, mid-wicket region. She loves that region. 6 runs. Sixer after sixer. I guess Morjim captain having the bag full of cash here with her. Or maybe her purse is full of cash today. It's election time, don't keep such cash in your bag. Kiran sir is always there. Okay, let's see. So he left it alone. Sugandha is shouting over there. Hit that ball, hit that ball. Shreya knows what she's doing very well. She left it alone for a wide one. Inside edge, just leaving the keeper. We only a single. So with this single, score is now 21. We have a live YouTube broadcasting as well. Got Tennis Cricket. You can watch the matches live. Tell your friends, tell your family to recharge the mobiles and keep the YouTube on. Up in the air. No women's line. Ball fell down and racing away to the boundary. It's a boundary. Four runs, 25 now. Good run scoring is going on from the batsman of Morzai Warriors Morjim. And their team is looking very confident. Especially their captain is looking very confident. Winning this match. Again up in the air, but will be falling short of a fielder. Rahi will be a single. 26. 62 is the target what they are chasing now. Morzai Warriors Morjim. Last delivery of the second over. Bit expensive from Bindia. Dancing to the ground once again. They'll get single comfortably. So with this single, Shreya will keep the strike. Sugandha will be on the non-strike once again. Completion of 2 overs. Score is 27. For loss of no wickets, Morzai Warriors Morjim. Morzai Warriors Morjim won the toss. They told Veer Yuratne Kurgaon to bat first, and they managed to get 61 runs on the scoreboard. 62 is the target. Third over in progress. Rahi, the bowler. Shreya wanted to lap it away. No connection. She's very comfortable at the crease. No harakiri whatsoever. Sugandha wants to strike. She wants to feel that ball on her bat as well. Again dancing the ground, straight on the ground. Straight, very straight, like an arrow. Single. Sugandha asking for the strike, and she got the strike now. She's also dancing away and straight down the ground. This is why she wanted the strike. It's a boundary. In-form batsman Sugandha with this boundary, 32 now. They're scoring nicely. They know the run rate they require in every over. They're targeting every bowler. Rahi. Again, same shot she wanted to repeat. Just charging the bowler there. Sugandha. She's a 360-degree player, I guess. That was a low full toss kind of a delivery. It'll be only a single. With this single now, score is moving 33. Last ball of the third over. And now Shreya on strike. Shreya goes big, Shreya goes huge and maximum. That ball was there to be hit, and Shreya took the advantage with both the hands. 6 runs from the bat of Shreya. Completion of 3 overs, score is 39. They are behind the very comfortable chase here. There is Morzai Warriors Morjim. The opening pair doing fantastic job. 39. The partnership between these two. More 18 deliveries, 23 to get. Sweetie the bowler. Sweetie doing a good job with the bat. 51 she scored earlier in the innings, and now she have to do something. She have to break this partnership. Sugandha into the gap. Boundary. (43). They're inching closer now. Inching very closer to the target. This is the eliminator, I will tell you. It will be a pressure on both the sides. They have to win the match to stay in the tournament. Straight, very straight. On the long on the region, there is a fielder. Will be a single. 44. More 18 runs. 4th over in progress. 5 runs scored in 2 deliveries. And now Shreya on strike, the big hitter. Again, lap sweep there. She's trying to score some runs. Fourth over in progress. Dancing down the ground once again. Shreya not connecting it. 2 dot deliveries. Good comeback. This is from Sweetie. 5 runs in 2 deliveries. Then next 2 deliveries are dot deliveries. Remaining 2 deliveries in the 4th over. Again dancing down the track, and there's a appeal. There's a appeal. Yes, she's gone. Good catch from the keeper, and Sweetie broke the partnership. Bindiya the keeper, and Shreya, the big wicket, departed after very good partnership with Sugandha. She managed to score 12 ball, 20 deliveries. Very good partnership between Sugandha and Shreya, broken by Sweetie. Amisha, the captain, Amisha Shetgaonkar for Morzai Warriors, Morjim. Shreya was looking good, but she managed to edge one into the hands of keeper. Last delivery of the 4th over. Very good shot, very good fielding as well. Sitara down there. So it will be a completion of 4 overs. Score is 45 for loss of 1 wicket. Morzai Warriors, Morjim. 12 balls, 17 runs to get. They are inching very closer to the target now. 1 good over from Veera Yuratni Korgaon can change the match. Change the complexion of the match towards them. But let's see. Sejal. And on strike, the captain, Amisha Shetgaonkar. We have already seen Pradnya playing a 1 captain's inning. Last time around, 41 runs she scored. And now Amisha. That's a good shot. Waited for very long time, and a boundary from the bat of Amisha. She just arrived and started the innings. She might get a 1,000 rupees cash prize if she hits one big 6 maximum. Let's see if she can grab that. This prize is from her teammates. Amisha on strike. Score is 49. And yes, she's gone. She is gone. Good comeback from Sejal, taking the wicket, very important wicket of the captain. Kritika is going to take the place of captain. Amisha departed after scoring 5 runs only. Didn't bother score that much, and she is in the dugout now. Score is 49. Only 13 more, 1-3. 13 runs more required. This over. First ball boundary, second ball wicket. Let's see if Sejal can do some magic for her team. 10 deliveries, 13 to get. We are live on the YouTube with the broadcasting of Goa tennis cricket. You will see this name everywhere in the Goa, outside Goa as well. Chance of a catch. Oh, she misjudged it. I think Sitara is there. Captain misjudged a catch. That could have been a back-to-back wickets for Sejal, for her team. Single given away. 50 on the scoreboard for Morzai Warriors. Morjim. 9 deliveries, 12 to get. These 3 deliveries are a very important one. Let's see what will happen in this remaining 3 deliveries. Sugandha on strike. She came at the top of her innings. Opening pair with Shreya. She's still there. Backed away and wanted to hit that on the offside. She knows there's a big gap. If she hit the ball in the gap, it will go to the boundary. She knows it very well. She's playing according to the field. 2 dot deliveries. 2 dot deliveries. Sejal. What a lovely over this is still now from Sejal. 5 runs given away. 1 wicket. Very important delivery. 7 deliveries. 12 to get. Very, very important delivery. This will change the course of match. And dot delivery. What a good comeback. Sejal, you beauty. What a lovely over. Fantastic job. Sejal, you have given some hope for your captain. 12 to get. 6 balls and 12 to get. Sejal doing the job which captain wanted. Let's see who will bowl that last ultimate over. Rahi, she gave away, I think, 12 runs in her first over. And she needs to hold down these 12 runs now. 12 to get, 6 deliveries to go. Pressure situation. On strike is Kritika. Kritika on strike. Good delivery, very good delivery, dot delivery. Which was looking like a very easy target to chase on when Shreya and Sugandha were batting. It might come to the wire till the last delivery. Will be only a single. Single now. Everything depends on this batsman. Let's see if Sugandha can keep her mind cool. Sugandha, you have to keep your mind cool. Let's see if she can handle the pressure situation. She is an experienced batsman. Sugandha Ghadi. 51, 11 to get in remaining 4 deliveries. 4 deliveries, 11 to get. Rahi, the bowler, Sugandha, the batsman. Captain is changing the field there, fielding there. Good delivery, Rahi. Very good delivery. No connection whatsoever. The long on fielder came inside the circle, I guess. And deep cover goes back. 3 deliveries, 11 to get now. Boundary, it might be boundary. Yes, it will be. Boundary from the bat of Sugandha. 55, 7 to get in remaining 2 deliveries. Sugandha took it on the full, playing it sweetly on the deep square leg region. 2 balls, 7 to get. Thrilling encounter. Very good shot. There's a fielder and taken. What a good catch. Sweetie down there. Rahi striking big. Big wicket. Big fish departed. Sugandha. What a timely wicket this is. What a good fielding setup from Captain Sitara. 7 to get. 6 will be a super over. Let's see if we can have that first super over of this tournament. Komal, you need to have a very big strike now. You can't be like your name now, Komal. You have to hit big. You have to hit big. 6 super over. Let's see if Rahi can hold her breath, hold her posture. She has done a fabulous job till now. Rahi, last delivery. Even for the last match, she bowled nicely when 16 were required. That time also she bowled nicely. The match between Bhumika, Ashwin, in that also she bowled nicely. And this time also everything depends on her. Komal on strike, 6 required for the super over. It's a wide one. It's a wide one. Don't celebrate too early. Don't celebrate too early, they say. 6 runs required now. Komal, you have the chance to be a heroine here. To be a queen for your team. They will lift you up if you hit that 6. And Rahi on the bowling mark once again. 6 runs required. Last delivery. And Rahi, what a fantastic, fabulous, mind-blowing, beautiful bowling effort. This is from Rahi. Look at that joy. Look at that enjoyment. Very well played. Morzai Warriors. Morjim. Bad luck to them. Sweetie, you will be the woman of the match. Sweetie. With the bat, she scored 51 runs. 2 overs she bowled. 1 wicket. Splendid effort. 14 runs she gave away in 2 overs and 1 wicket. 51 with the bat. Sweetie, please come up on the stage and take your woman of the match.